Where life. They'll bring them on the camera.
Huh?
They'll bring them on camera.
It's live, man.
I know. Hey, what up? Where should I camera? Where should I camera? You want to look at bring them on the camera?
Where?
Get it? You kind of got to bring them on the camera.
People are watching what I saw is live.
Okay.
See what people saying on comment. If we're not live, then
No,
are we not live? Are we not there?
we live, but they said I'll bring them on the camera. So they're probably not seeing you guys.
Hey, man, check the camera, man. What's up, man?
Hey.
Yeah. Hey, Hustler, man, if they're watching us or not, man. Hey, you guys watching us? Can you guys see us or something?
Yeah.
Can they see us?
So far right now, say hi, big bro. I say hi, big brother, love you.
Can you guys see us live?
Yep.
That's right there. Hot dog. That's right. Mama call. Debbie. That's right there. Hot dog me live in the place. God, why you saw them yeah. Woo. That's right there. Yo, hallelujah. Get yo, huh? Hallelujah, man. Man, there. Why when the panya yo na say me pay. God, Jawing pay. Marana in my team when the no. Yeah, come well. I think it's a white bar in there, a young prophet, and then I'm going to yeah, come well. I think it's a white bar in there, a young that right there, I'm going to change over car. Hey, hold on, man. You guys right, just talk over here. Hey, hold on. Hey, hold on. DJ Mom, hey, hold on. Hey, DJ Mom.
I want to make a shit.
Hey, hold on.
All right, go ahead.
Hey,
You got it.
so all my supporters and all my fans around the world, I'm here with the best DJ
all
Mommy.
time shit. Right there.
DJ Mommy.
When are who? Yeah?
DJ Mommy is with me. We're live right now. Where we at?
Amarillo, Texas.
Amarillo, Texas.
Yeah, right there.
That's where we at.
We live
You know
with the
what I'm
hot
saying?
dog.
We're about to go now to find a rule.
To make it all
Fundraising concert going on tonight.
Down.
And it's about to happen,
It's
man.
all about life, baby. We got
That's why you there. That's
right.
Where you there, boy?
That's right. Then you come back to the culture. It's all about me and Colin Mama to say.
Yo.
They're right there.
Like a point in there. Who are you, man?
Colin Mama call I died to your mom for sure and all this didn't know me back in the day. And then they come back to the culture.
DJ Mommy. Where in the bed?
Okay, Joe Colin Mama call DJ Mommy for sure. I have a lot of names.
Okay, that boy,
okay, let me just go back to the culture. And I had to sing some of the great songs that I should have been to perform.
Boy, you win the twa, boy.
Oh, hallelujah. Go back and more gagging.
Win the boy.
You don't know, what do I know you are?
Yeah, I don't lie. I went to the yeah, we're quite dying.
Okay, what is your uncle? Get on with your mute. I will need to get here.
Yo,
better don't.
yo,
I am man. Go back, man. The leg I am ruined.
and it,
People let ruined.
and it.
Every ruin never going. When ruin never ruin.
Ma, yo.
Good for
Yo, Jaja, okay,
Kinamonga.
Kid, did that. Yo, okay,
did the job, man. Polwalan God, Oram to go, you're going to with the go. Why now? You don't need the right chair, one God was there. You did. And then my Lord, I go going, I dream your mother go. You told God, Oram to go, I do it. You told, I do the Papa. I do the Papa. Hallelujah. I do. Go get to. But you're not to. Go get to. You're a trip. No, I keep going. You keep up. I do the Papa. You keep on. Polwalan God, go back at your top. Polwalan God. Go get your winner. Go get boy. Really, Jimmy. Got in and my great cow. And let Burano. Okay, Roegumu. And it. Young Irjong. And got Ruin. Yo, go gagan. And I didn't meet them call me by Mukupan, by Chicala Bulia. Oh, Gaga. By Europanda. Ruin way. Polwalan God. Oram to go your Bucky with a go wine now. I'll call a wood there. Yo, and Gagan, Mamma, you got it. What dog with you, Ben? They're right there. Go back to me with you, Ben. What dog right there? Get it, take it to the front.
Panaro de bien belquay, Panaro de bien belquay,
Panaro
de belquem, a loga. Huh?
Guga Aduma, a sugar,
Yito, huh? Why you want to get your Bonya, huh? Yeah, Panaro de bien belquay, Panaro de bien belquay, oh, Jay,
Hallelujah.
I'm here live. Go to the Minky White don't the Chabelle. Hold on. Go to the Minky White don't the Chabelle. Yama, and then where the ball, 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 and then where the ball. Would you take Panetta? You want the number you have? Rodayo, Road will look quite good. Came at the ring. Okay, you're gonna win.
That right there, baby. We got it right. We talk dog in the back, baby. This right there, cause I'm a call man. We got it right. I take it back to the top level. That's a hot dog in my bag. That's the way right there, like back up shit. All right, I got it right to the hip hop right. I mean, I know the hip hop lifestyle. Come down the way. That's the rule now.
Cái chụp được vấn này, vô cái jam vấn này cả toan vô rồi.
Okay, hold on. Let me go.
Toàn cái chụp vấn này.
Okay, let's talk here. Mình biết chào kèo để hoàn tại hoàn chiêu một bài phần đó. Cái ruin cái bài phần đó nó ngô cái bài ruin mình giang nó giang nó cái mình calani để giang đó. Yo, ra nó bài phần đó quy nó cái ruin. Yo, okay, ngô cái bài phần đó. Tao là người áo ngô cái.
Dạ, những cả bé con, dạ cái cả bé con, những cả bé con.
Hey yo, yo,
Ý chỗ, cái chúng là con, cái đi là con, nó đi là con.
hey yo,
Ý chỗ, nó để ở
Padang,
đó, đi ở đó, cái đi cái
Padang, bài Padang, Padang.
Hey, hold on, you want cả thằng là con, tôi nói chuyện.
Hey, what could he da con? What could he da con? You go there.
Vô tiệc, vô tiệc, cái lấy cái đuôi cái. Vô tiệc cái lệch.
Có bao nhiêu chua ngọt đấy,
Nhằm sai nó nhằm gì à? Nhằm con nó đâu có cái gì không có gì đây. Chết nó bia long gây dùng đó tôi.
Hey, yo la gan, yo. And then where the ball, 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 and then where the ball.
Bây giờ đến vấn đề là cái nó mà phiêu cả.
Road yo.
Rồi đúng nó quay cơ. Cho nhỏ cái văn ngoan.
Anh lấy cho mà.
Cho nhỏ cái văn ngoan. Về rồi nhỏ cái văn ngoan ông thì đâu có mẹ đi cho là phụ mẫu. Cái nó bị cái nó bị dạ thì đi chơi dài thì chơi những con
From the west, we got right. And we
hey con nó đi nói dài.
yeah, we don't know the way no more.
Vậy vô đông thì cháu về luôn lấy
Lúc cắt, chúng tôi cấp mà tao chọn cái nó mua cả rồi. Chúng tôi. Cái nó không được. Anh cắt chút.
ngồi đâu. Anh nuôi gần là cũng chưa bóng cả. Không cái trước. Cái đi cắn thằng luôn.
Yo la gan, go ahead.
Cái phim về con về mà bắt là
Thích vấn đề là vấn đề này.
Pero nhỏ cái man ngoan ông chi đâu có mẹ lấy cho là como que mẹ nó viêm quê ai nó viêm quê ông que mẹ nó pariang over me growing my no dog my no dog
đi chỗ nghe đấy chưa đi chỗ hả chưa
Nói cái đó gì?
hey DJ Mami
Cái đó anh tôi cái đó.
hey we're panda.
Ông chưa giàu.
Everybody that's watching right now, we about to go. We getting ready right now, and the video is gonna be live. My man is behind the camera. Y'all don't want to know who it is, but he's doing a good job.
It's me,
Right,
Jack
to find a roof fundraising tonight.
Johnson.
You got it
Just
right.
came from
Johnson.
Africa last week, and now we live in Amarillo, Texas. What? Somebody talking behind now? Who's that?
I just want to say a word.
Yama Zion.
Boy,
DJ Mami.
boy is here.
For being here with me, I didn't know.
On it.
I just came.
Hey man, who's talking behind
On
you?
it.
I just met you.
Hey, your fans are talking, so you. Hey, fan, listen, yo. Wait, hold on.
Shit out you.
No invitation right now until we go to the
let me
live
just say the
video.
word.
Hey, somebody
Hey,
invite
your
me
fans
over
are
there.
talking?
Somebody invite me over there.
Huh?
So I'm around.
It's live now.
Alright, do that.
Video in the back. Y'all know that. You know what I'm saying? So.
Hey, Mulorot.
Oh, I know show.
Oga to apa lagi? Jangan lo.
Yeah, we on the video show tonight. It's all about.
Hot dog. Come on, dog.
Huh?
Say
Right
something.
there.
Ini nggak?
I'm wishing at you, man.
Hey, man, that's what it is. Who am I talking to? Because I can't see you, man. The camera is...
I mean, it's the weekend, a part of the weekend too. And I want to say thanks for having Hot Dog on my side. We trying to promote the show in Amarillo, Texas. To many of you, I didn't know. Yeah, I might make it to come over where you're in Amarillo live. So, it's going to Mama call a judge. A couple hours away drive.
Hey, let me get some water, man. I got to get some water,
my
man.
community,
Let me get...
in Amarillo live tonight. So, we had a good part of the promotion to many of you. You know, Hot Dog had to come up and make a lot of shows. So y'all can make it to come about. It's all about that. One love. We love one another. Let's go. Check back and call out back. It's all about that. What the Hot Dog life would be.
Oh, shit.
In Amarillo, Texas and shit.
Hey, Amarillo, what up? Hey, we live out here. Hey, who's talking? Who's behind there? Who's behind the camera? Somebody talking to me?
Man, this is your boy. Boy.
Who that?
Boy.
Hey, man, what's good? What's up? We're live right now.
Nothing good.
I just only got...
I'm trying to make sure. I'm trying to make sure that you do the and paring and monorungwing. What I want to hear. Can you do that for me, please?
No,
yeah, something like that. Yeah.
That right there.
Yeah. I want that. I need that.
Huh?
Yeah, something like
That's
that.
what you
Something
want,
like that. I like that. Yeah.
You that right.
Hey,
Keep going,
hey.
man. I like that. Yeah.
You want me to play the audio, or you just want me to say the...
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Okay.
Just a little bit of it. Yeah, I'm watching at you right now.
All right. Boka took the ming chi wai dong to chapa ben really
Yeah.
chana dong mi die ka chapa ben really thing. Boka took the ming chi wai dong to chapa ben really na ma zaya mai. Hey ya, Hey, jumping. Hey, wakidi da kon.
Yeah.
You go fiak.
Yeah.
You
Good
fiak.
take.
Yama zai mai no.
I like that. I like that one. Yeah, I like that. Yeah. Yeah, I like that one.
Huh?
Yeah. I like that, man.
Hey,
Yeah, I like that.
Hey, Pingana.
Tunga con. That's a good thing, man. Man, the firing.
Hold on. Let me finish it for you, right?
Okay.
And a bill of play out.
Yeah.
And the man of the
I like that, man. I like that little mic, man.
Hey, listen.
I like that mic. Hey,
Listen.
hot up.
Alright?
Yeah. Man, you a good guy, though. You got a future.
Listen, everybody that watching right now, right? If you see,
Yeah.
this is my DJ right here. Okay?
That's your DJ right there?
Hey, DJ, mommy, that's my DJ. We're about to go right now. Listen.
That's right.
I really appreciate you guys. The reason why I dress like this, everybody that's watching right now, I'm trying to bring back the culture.
Yep.
I'm in America, right?
Yeah.
And people should sometimes listen. Hey, DJ, chill, man.
Okay,
hey, let me calm down my DJ anyway. Because my DJ don't know all this, right?
It's okay.
But
It's okay. It's okay. You can talk too.
So,
You can talk
hey,
too.
okay. So what I'm trying to say right now is this. I'm just trying to let all my people know, my South Sudanese community, matter what part of the country you come from, matter what tribe you're from, we all 64 what?
That right there. South Sudan.
64 what?
We make South Sudan the country.
64 tribes, right? That's right.
South Sudan the country.
Is that general?
If that general, yes, it is.
That's a lot, you, my general. General Ochan.
Yeah, thank you so much. I love the way you respond.
Oh, okay.
I really appreciate you, my brother. what we're doing right here is all matter what is happening in our country, and we in the West right now, we have to teach our kids. We have to teach everybody that might be went a different direction. We have to bring everybody else together.
Yeah, right.
That's the reason why every time, every show I go, you can see all this thing. Hot Dog is
Well, I love
shirtless.
you.
I don't have no
We-
shirt
we
on me.
love you, man.
Hold on, DJ, come on. You can't even tell me
Go
that.
ahead, go
Hey,
ahead.
hey, we always, hot dog. We
Hey.
always walk naked. We walked naked long time ago. You know that.
I know. Thank
Huh?
you so much.
Me,
And you know,
yeah, I
hey,
walked
listen,
naked
you know
long
what?
time ago. Yeah.
It's all good. Thank you so much. Thank you so much that you're watching right now. And I'm gonna call you after the show, and we're gonna talk more about what we're gonna do. We just want to let our
All
people
right.
know, no
All
matter
right.
what is
Thank
happening
you.
right now in our country, please bring everybody together.
Yeah.
And no matter what tribe you belong, when this thing happened,
I'm
we
here,
were
man.
raised
I'm
together.
here. You know me.
But no
Hot
matter
dog.
what is
Hot dog.
happening right now
You kept
between what and what is not happening, that's not what we need to
hot dog. Hot dog. Hot
I
dog.
know that.
You know, you came to Homa.
Yeah, I got
You met me before. So I'm not a stranger to you. You know that.
Yeah, I know.
So you know
I know
basically.
very well.
So what we need, what we need is
Yeah.
let's go forward. So we don't
Thank you
want
so
our
much.
country to
Thank
be
you.
like
I really appreciate it.
Syria
I really
or being like
appreciate it.
Somalia or being like it's
Thank-
already Somalia, it's Syria already, but we need to do something different.
Thank
Us
you
Sudanese,
so much, and I really appreciate
right?
it. And you know what? You're not a stranger to me
Yeah.
because I met you before in Omaha, and I know what we talked about. And thank you for calling.
Yeah.
And let's get another person as you watch, and don't go anywhere, okay?
Okay, thank you. Appreciate it.
Thank you so much. God bless you, okay? I'm about to go to the show in like 30 minutes or 20 minutes from now. Thank you for
I'll
calling.
watch you right away.
God
I
bless
will watch you
Hey,
online.
hey,
I'll
let
watch
me
you right
give you
away.
some blessing.
Yeah.
Hey, hold on. Are you there?
Yeah, I will. I will.
Hey, let me give you some blessing again one more time. Next caller, please.
I mean, to close the video, let me just say something a little bit.
Hey,
Hey,
you talking.
I mean, I just want to say.
Hey,
You
DJ
live.
Mom,
Yeah,
hey,
yeah, I'm
DJ
very,
Mom.
I'm very live.
DJ Mom.
Yeah, I just want to say to the phone to live video.
Yeah. Okay, you let them know what's up.
It's a great
You my
place.
DJ and
Yeah,
don't talk a
awesome.
lot, okay?
Yeah, I will bring it.
The show is not yours, it's mine.
Right, yeah, it's yours.
All right. Thank you,
I
DJ.
mean, that's cool,
You're supposed to
man.
go
I
play
love
the
my
music
people.
right now,
It's
but you about to go.
live video that we hot dog and Colin Mama called doing live today in Umbrella. That's cool. I support them and I say thanks. It's all about that, to have a good time, promote your culture, and make people always believe into culture. I mean, I can't say something else, but it's good. You've been watching live, and hot dog right here with me, and my friend Ken is here, the cameraman. So all I have to say, you gotta hear some more, you gotta see some more. We still gotta go. A lot of fun going on tonight. So thank you so much for watching and for reviewing. It's all about it. Mama Kola Jari. I'm here in the United States of America, and it's all about it. Hot dog with me.
All right. Thank you, guys. Hey, when you see me go like this with him,
Hey guys, like in June, we're gonna have a big concert in Des Moines, Iowa, and of course, Hot Dog is the main attraction, and you know what, we're gonna have some singers and some people. So like with that, let's y'all watch it. If you're in Kansas City, if you're in Omaha, if you're in Minnesota, if you're in Des Moines, or if you're in somewhere close by, come and support him on his goal, and let's love our brother and be there for him. So he's gonna say the last few words before we go off.
They're calling us right now.
Mhm.
All right, to all my friends around the world, those who don't hear Dinka, because I speak a lot of languages in South Sudan, and what I just want to let you guys know, I always, man, I'm even so emotional right now because you know what? Without everybody that is watching right now, these are the people that always been supporting me. I like the comments, the messages that y'all been texting me and all that when I'm traveling the whole world. I really appreciate that. I'm not here. Don't just look at me as okay. Might be I'm Dinka or all that. That's not to all my fans. Like I really love everybody. You know what I'm saying? And that's what You welcome me to con point kel garam kel jakon bada jimejina bilada
Babul.
banyo kababul kene kanja jakon chite kenya tuai den kenya ruam den kula janganwa banyo babul bunyo Manuela bubule na kego manuero banyo kababul chirenda kanya you welcome make a con point kel garam kel jakon beda imejina beleda banyo kababul chirenda kanya jakon chite kenya tuai den kenya ruo den kula janganwa banyo kababul chirenda kanya go jimre di to one chimon jangle la bungyo Ulenwera bubule na kero. Let me tell you, man.
Right there, you know,
Let me tell you.
right.
If you look at somebody like Hot Dog, I don't see myself as Dinka or Nuer or any other tribe.
You got that.
I'm 64 tribe, okay? And that's why, listen, hey, DJ, hold on. And that's the reason why I always look like this. Any of my concert that goes on around the world, no matter how many people come out, you don't have to be from my tribe. But if you believe from what I'm saying, because when we started this struggle, how we went from civil war, from 21 years of civil war, the longest civil war in Africa.
In history.
That's what I believe in. Okay? And no matter what is happening right now, because people are driving V8 and all that, and this thing trying to come up, people are buying mansion. No, that's not how we were raised, and that's not the place we were born. Our really struggle is started from nothing to something right now. And something is what? We got the independent, and we got South Sudan. So I love everybody. I love all my fans. And no matter where I go, I belong to South Sudan. And that's why I always walk with this. Just to show your kid. Because a lot of y'all were born during Civil War. And now we all grown up, right?
Amen.
Right? Yeah, Jamana, everybody watching, right? I'm talking right, right? So that's the reason why I look like this. Otherwise, I've been sued. I'm trying to. Come on. Oh, I'm wearing all the bling bling. Thank you guys so much. God bless you. My time is done. I only have 10 minutes right now. I'm going to see you guys when I go live at the show, okay? The show is coming up. This is just a low promo just to let my people know from Amarillo. Hot Dog is over here and all my fans around the world that are watching. Thank you guys so much and God bless you. This is DJ Mommy and my man Akan behind that. All right? God bless.
To me, as brothers.
God bless.